Number 1.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500. It has traveled 230,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a classic green exterior with a tan interior, the truck has been restored to near original condition and presents beautifully. It runs and drives great, with both air conditioning and heat fully functional. The undercoating has been refreshed, and the body is completely free of rust, making it a solid and dependable vehicle. In addition to its restored originality, the truck comes with numerous upgrades and modern touches, including a bed cover, a roll pan, 4K cameras, a backup camera, and an updated interior sound system. The only noted drawback is that the headliner will need replacement. Overall, this Chevrolet 1500 stands in mint condition, a well-preserved classic that combines originality with thoughtful modern enhancements.
Number 2.
1984 Chevrolet S10, price $10,000. This truck stands out as a true enthusiast's build, blending classic styling with performance upgrades. Under the hood sits a mildly built 355 V8, delivering strong and reliable power, paired seamlessly with a fresh turbo 350 transmission. To complement the setup, it features a brand new 3000 RPM stall torque converter, ensuring smooth yet spirited acceleration. The truck remains very clean inside and out, showing the level of care and attention it has received over the years. Its steel hood, currently finished in primer, adds to the truck's raw and authentic character, giving the next owner the option to complete it to their own taste. Every time it's on the road, the S10 doesn't fail to turn heads, often earning thumbs up and nods of approval from bystanders. Overall, this Chevrolet S10 offers a mix of classic looks and modern drivability, making it a fun, reliable, and attention-grabbing truck that delivers nothing but smiles.
Number 3.
1991 Chevrolet S10, price $6,500, rust-free Florida truck with an orange exterior and red interior. It's powered by a 350 engine with AFR heads, 10.5 pistons, a Howard's cam, 1.5 roller rockers, and an Edelbrock 750 carburetor, paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, serpentine setup, and traction bars. While still running the stock rear end, the truck sits on 18-inch US mags less than a year old, though one rear tire shows wear. The interior is complete with a tachometer, but overall condition is fair, and the speedometer/odometer are not connected, leaving true mileage unknown. The AC components are all there but don't blow cold. Paint shows its age, with the cabin bed not matching, but overall, this S10 is a very solid and performance-oriented truck. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race.
Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1988 Ford F250, price $10,000, shows 145,000 miles and features an automatic transmission, gray exterior, black interior, and a gasoline engine. The truck runs and drives as it should, with working heat though the AC is not functional. The body has some rock chips and scratches from its wide stance, but it remains solid overall. It has received extensive recent maintenance, including new tires with less than 1,000 miles, a fresh battery, new fuel pumps, fuel filter, and regulator, along with a recent oil change.
The braking system has been updated with new brake lines, booster, cylinder, and front wheel bearings.
Steering has also been improved with a new gearbox, column shaft, and power steering pump. Additional upgrades include a new starter and solenoid, transmission mount, windshield wiper motor, new headlights and taillights, and a modern radio.
Number 5.
1985 GMC S15, price $6,000. This truck shows 143,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a 2.8L V6 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Finished in a matching burgundy exterior and interior, the truck features power steering, power brakes, and an air conditioning system that simply needs to be recharged, while the heater works as it should. It rides on staggered 18 and 20-inch Riddler wheels with newer tires, complemented by a lowered stance achieved with drop spindles and blocks.
Additional updates include new door window weather strips.
Despite its history as a farm truck, it runs and drives great, offering a fun and reliable experience on the road.
The vehicle runs on gasoline and is offered with a clear Tennessee title in the seller's name.
Number 6. 1992 Ford F150, price $10,000, powered by a 5.0L V8 EFI engine with a 5-speed manual transmission and has 130,000 miles.
Finished in candy apple red with a black roof, it also features a newer spray-on bed liner and a brown interior with working AC, R134A converted, heat, and cruise control. Recent upgrades include a new exhaust with long tube headers and 3-inch piping, a new fuel system with pump, tanks, and filters, a new radiator and hoses, new alternator and battery, updated headlights, and new inner fenders. With its fresh paint, dependable drivetrain, and modern updates, this F-150 is a solid and stylish classic pickup ready for its next owner.
Number 7. 1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500, powered by the dependable 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck shows 195,000 miles on the odometer but continues to run strong, recently receiving a fresh suspension setup and alignment from front to back. It now rides on 454 wheels wrapped in 295/50 tires all around, all dated 2021, giving it both presence and performance on the road. In addition to its mechanical upgrades, the truck features an aftermarket cowl hood, upgraded door speakers, a two-seater cabin with a center console, and a suede headliner for a more refined interior feel. The exterior is complemented by new window tint, while a recent tune-up ensures smooth performance.
Number 8.
1972 Ford F250, price $8,000, finished in a bright yellow exterior with a black interior. It runs on gasoline and presents itself as a solid example of a classic heavy-duty pickup. The truck retains many original details, including its passenger side mirror, original spare tire, and even the factory 8-track player.
It still carries its original California blue plates, a nice touch for collectors.
Underneath, new suspension bushings have been installed, and it rides on appliance turbine 8 lug wheels fitted with 33-inch BF Goodrich T/A tires. Performance upgrades include MagnaFlow mufflers paired with a 3-inch exhaust pipe exiting just before the rear wheel, giving the truck a throaty sound while still running very well overall.
Comfort features include an ARA air conditioning unit, though it currently does not blow cold. Number 9.
1986 GMC 3500, price $8,500, powered by the strong 7.4L 454 big block V8, paired with a dependable turbo 403-speed automatic transmission. The truck is finished in a classic blue exterior with a matching blue interior, giving it a cohesive and period-correct look. Built for work and utility, it features an 8-foot bed and dual gas tanks, offering both durability and range. Inside, it retains its factory comforts, including power windows and power door locks, all of which remain fully functional. Despite its age, the truck runs and drives very well, with the big block delivering plenty of power and the transmission shifting smoothly. The frame is in excellent shape, showing the benefits of being well cared for over the years.
Number 10.
1989 GMC Sierra 1500, price $4,000, finished in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior, showing 210,000 miles on the body. It is powered by a strong 454 big block V8, sourced from an RV with only 74,000 miles, paired to a TH350 automatic transmission that was rebuilt prior to installation. The truck runs on gasoline and delivers an aggressive tone thanks to a 3-inch dual exhaust system. It rides on a 5.7 drop with a C-notch, giving it a lowered stance and a custom look while maintaining drivability.
With its automatic transmission, powerful big block engine, and clean styling, the Sierra blends classic late 80s design with modern upgrades for both performance and presence on the road.